How to use presets for outdoor photography. First of all, open the Lightroom app on your device and select the photo you want to edit. Browse your preset library and choose a preset that suits the natural light and mood of your outdoor photo. Next, apply the preset by tapping it. After applying, check the photo for any adjustment settings. For bright sunlight, reduce highlights or slightly adjust exposure to prevent overexposed areas. For cloudy or low light conditions, increase shadows or contrast to make details pop. You can also tweak temperature, saturation, tone curves, and color grading to achieve the perfect outdoor look. Once satisfied, save your edits as a custom preset to apply the same style to other outdoor photos in the future. Now you know how to use presets for outdoor photography. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.